In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 quick, easy wins that you can use to make more profit in your e-commerce Google Ads campaign. In my time, I've audited over 100 e-commerce Google Ads accounts, and the tips that I have for you today are some of the most common things that I see when I do that. Later on, I'll also share with you my top tip that helps me turn shopping ads data into more sales and profit in your search ads campaigns. Easy win number 1 is to look for high ROAS campaigns with a low impression share. On your campaign screen in Google Ads, make sure that you can see your conversion value over cost, your search impression share, your lost IS due to budget, and your lost IS due to rank. Your impression share column tells you what share of the available ad impressions you are getting. If you are not getting 100% impression share, then the lost IS due to budget column tells you how much of that impression share you are losing due to having too low of a daily budget. And the lost IS due to rank column tells you how much of your impression share you are losing due to too low bids. If your ROAS is above target, and if you are losing impression share due to your budgets, then you need to increase the daily budget in that campaign. After you do this, you're going to make more sales at exactly the same return over ad spend you were already getting in that high performing campaign. And if you have any campaigns that are above your target ROAS and you are losing impression share and it's due to rank, then go into that campaign and increase your CPC bids. By increasing your bids, your ROAS will come down. But that's okay because your ROAS was already way above target in that campaign. So even if your ROAS comes down a bit, you'll still be profitable. And as you increase your bids, your impression share will go up. You will get more impressions, clicks, and sales in that campaign. This is a key piece of knowledge to master. In Google Ads, higher ROAS is not always better. This is because to get a high ROAS, you need to bid low. And when you bid low, you get a lower impression share. And when you get a lower impression share, you get less clicks and sales. Sometimes, by increasing the bids and letting your ROAS come down, you actually make more profit because your impression share and your sales go up. So if your ROAS is above its target and you are losing impression share due to rank, increase those bids and see your sales and profit increase. And if you've set your target ROAS way above your break-even ROAS, well then question that, because allowing your ROAS to come lower may result in more profit for you. Let's say, for example, you break even at a ROAS of 2. And let's say you set a ROAS target of 5, because you thought that a higher ROAS is always better. In this case, experiment with a ROAS target of 3 or 4. Doing so will allow you to bid higher and increase your impression share. 9 times out of 10, I see this resulting in more profit. Easy win number 2. Use broad match modified keywords and then check your search query report regularly. Anything that comes up that looks good in that search query report, add it as an exact match keyword into your account. Now this is actually part of the account structure formula that we developed at Big Flare that we call the seed mining method. I'll be releasing a full video on the seed mining method really soon, so if you want to dive into that with me, hit the subscribe button right now. For now, I'll give you the brief version. First of all, you want to make sure you're using broad match modified mode on all the main keywords that you've added to your account. And then, use the search query report, or SQR, to review the search terms that are triggering your ads. When you see something good in there, maybe there's a search term that keeps coming up that's getting a really good amount of click and conversions on it, well then you want to add it as an exact match keyword into your account. After you've done that, craft great ad copy for that keyword. If you keep doing this every week, over time, your account is going to improve and improve and improve. Easy win number 3 is to expand to Bing ads. What? Bing ads? Who the heck uses Bing ads? Maybe you're thinking something along those lines, and maybe that's why you hadn't already ported your successful Google Ads campaigns over to Bing. Bing Ads actually gets a 10% share of the search engine market in the USA right now, and while that is small compared to Google, there is some good news. First off, CPCs tend to be lower on Bing Ads because there's less advertiser competition for those clicks. Despite that, conversion rates are largely the same on Bing Ads as they are on Google Ads. That's because it's exactly the same kind of high intent traffic where people are searching for the exact products that you have. So cheaper CPCs for the same conversion rate? Yeah, that means that you'll often see better performance in terms of your return over ad spend on Bing Ads when compared to Google Ads. On top of that, Bing Ads makes it super easy to port your Google Ads campaigns over to Bing, and the volume you get from Bing Ads is incremental. So while Bing may only have 10% market share, that's 10% extra clicks that you wouldn't have gotten had you not ported your campaigns over. Quick win number 4 will be to expand your campaigns to target all the other countries that you also ship to, but you're not currently advertising in. When I audit Google Ads campaigns, I often see an ad account that's only advertising in its home country. And then I check on the website, I check their shipping page, and I see, well, they actually ship worldwide and they have a good deal on worldwide shipping. If you are advertising only in the USA and you haven't yet set up campaigns to target the UK, Canada, Australia, and any other country with decent-sized English-speaking populations, then you could be sitting on some serious cash. Duplicate out your winning campaigns now and change the settings at the campaign level to target those other countries. My last tip today is to continuously move your converted search terms from your shopping campaign into your search campaign. If you're running standard shopping instead of smart shopping, then you will have access to the search terms report. This report will show you the exact search terms that people are typing into Google that are triggering your shopping ads. What you want to do is log into that search terms report and find those search terms that are driving sales in shopping, but have not yet been added as keywords to your search campaign. When you find those search terms, add them to your search campaign and craft some really great specific ad copy for them. Shopping campaigns will often discover new keyword ideas that you did not think of when you were researching the keywords for your search text ads campaign. If you're not regularly reviewing your shopping search terms report and adding converting search terms as keywords into search, you could once again be sitting on a bunch of money-making opportunities. Alright, before we go, I have one bonus tip for you today, and that is to set up a dynamic search ads or DSA campaign. A DSA campaign will scan your entire website and it will auto-select the keywords to target and auto-create the ad headlines to target those keywords with. Okay, that's a lot of auto stuff going on, and as you may expect, these DSA ads don't usually perform quite as well as manually crafted normal search ads. But the main advantage here is that DSAs allow you to quickly create ads for all your products. What you can do then is keep your DSA campaign on a low budget and just use it to discover new keyword ideas that you hadn't yet thought of when you were doing your keyword research for your manual search campaigns. Much like with shopping campaigns, when you discover a converting search term in your DSA campaign, you're going to want to add that as an exact match keyword with great ad copy into your normal search campaigns. Keep doing this, and over time it will result in loads more keywords added and loads more sales made in your Google Ads account. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. I'll be releasing more videos just like this one a few times per month. Just click the subscribe button below. One of my next videos is going to be all about that seed mining method that I mentioned earlier, so be sure to stay tuned if you want to see that one. And if you want a free, instant, automated audit of your Google Ads account, head over to bigflare.com/AdWords-audit. Now it's over to you. Which one of these quick wins are you going to use? Are you going to increase bids on some high ROAS, low impression share campaigns? Or perhaps you're going to start expanding your account geographically? Let me know in the comments below. No, that's wrong, sorry. 10% of the English-speaking sized nope. Okay. Target those other countries